Okay, all right. Next question here. What I'm going to discuss is actually question 11, which is question 11 here is all about the, this is actually the, how do I say, it's actually also algebra, okay, but you need to understand what does it mean here. Let's understand one by one. I think this is actually one of the last question. Later on, you guys can discuss with Mr. Desmond, okay? So Gaia spends $48 to buy books, but you don't know how many. That costs X dollar each. Write down an expression in terms of X, the number of books that Gaia buys, okay? But we don't know how many that they buys, right? So I always do by comparing ratio and proportion method, okay? So Gaia buys $48, okay? $48 for the number of books that we don't know. So I put here maybe Y books because we don't know. The other thing that we don't know, okay? But they said that the cost for one book is actually X dollar. This must be one book. Okay, each. They say each mean one book. Okay, so they ask for an expression of number of books that I buy that we don't know here. I always use the cross multiply. Okay, things that you can cross here, you multiply and then you divide. But you can use any of the other method that you guys have learned at school. Okay, so from here, I know that Y here must be 1 multiplied by 48 divided by X. So the term here become 48 over X. So that's how it is, 48 over X. Okay, so that's how it's going to be 48 over X. I hope that you do understand lah. Now, Myra here, next question. Myra spent $60 to buy books that cost each almost the same stuff. Okay, almost the same stuff. So now this is actually Gaia. Now this is actually Myra. Myra spent $60 for the number of books that we don't know. Maybe I put here is P books. We don't know. Okay, we don't know about how many books. But they say that one book costs her X plus $2. Okay, and for one book. So for Myra here, the term for Myra is the same stuff, which is multiply and divide. Things that you can cross here, you multiply and then you divide. So it would be 1 multiplied by 60 divided by X plus 2. So this term here is going to be 60 over X plus 2. That's for Myra. Okay. But they say Gaia buys 4 more books than Myra. So it compare between Gaia and Myra here. Oh my God, so hard to pronounce. Gaia, Myra, Gaia, Myra. Okay, Gaia buys 4 more books than Myra. What does it mean? Always understand when they say 4 more books, understand Gaia minus Myra is equal to 4 books. That's how we understand. So what are the term for Gaia? The term for Gaia here is 48 over X. And then minus with Myra here. Myra is going to be 60 over X plus 2 and equal to 4. Okay, then from here, then you can show all this quadratic stuff already. Quadratic stuff. And if you want to minus fraction, make sure the denominator the same. You can use the butterfly method here. Any method lah, butterfly method lah, anything lah. Okay, but any method that you like lah, and make sure the denominator the same. So X plus 2 and then X plus 2. And then multiply by X, multiply by X. 48 multiplied by X become 48X. 48 multiplied by 2 become 96. Is it correct? Yeah. Okay. And then minus 60 multiplied by X, it becomes 60X over X multiplied by X is X squared and X multiplied by 2 is 2X. Then you get equal to 4. Then whatever it is, you substitute everything here to the right side. Okay. So our working here become 48X. You can see here, 48X and 60, you can minus. Okay, you can minus it. 48 minus 60 is supposed to be negative 24. Is it correct? Is it correct? Yeah, it's supposed to be. Is it correct? I think I did it wrong here. 48 minus 60. No. Yeah, negative 12. So 96 minus 12x equal to 4 bracket x squared plus 12 plus 2x. And now you expand it again. 96 minus 12x equal to 4x squared plus 8x. And then after that, you can actually either you substitute on the right side or I substitute on the left side also can. But you make sure that you can see the value of A here is positive. it's actually x squared plus 5x minus 24. The value of a here positive 1. So I make sure that the a here is also positive. So I move everything on the right sides. Okay, so 0 equal to 4x squared plus 8x, negative 12, move it to the right, become positive 12. Okay, and then 96, move it to the right, become 9 minus 96. And then from here, 0 equal to 4x squared plus 20x minus 96. Is it correct? We're actually not done yet, but this one you need to divide all the stuff and make sure that the value of a is the same. So divide by what? Divide by 4. So when divide by 4 here, so then 4x squared, 0 divided by 4 is 0. 4x squared divided by 4 is x squared. 20x divided by 4 is, divide. 20x divided by 4 become positive 5x, and 96 divided by 4 here, you should get 24, minus 24. And that's how you do it. You can put 0 on the left side, or you can put 0 on the right side, anything. Okay, anything. Okay, you can put either one of it. So you can also put it like that, or you can put it like that, also correct. 0 on the left, 0 on the right, also correct. Okay, now solve for factorization. Solve by factorization here. You know, for some reason, you guys might have learned it by using a calculator, but how you guys want to pretend that you guys use by factorization? First of all, you guys need to know that the value of a, b, c here. The equation must always arrange as ax squared plus bx plus c. So a equal to 1, b equal to 5, and c equal to negative 24. Press that thing in a calculator. Is that I shared already? Yes. Yes, I shared that thing already. So 1, 5, and negative 24. Okay, what did you get here? X equal to 3. I know that you just put it there, x equal to 3, and another x here is supposed to be negative 8, I think, yeah, negative 8. But I know that this is not by factorized. What do you do here? This one, x equal to 3, x equal to negative 8. Just reverse back, reverse back. Don't put the arrow lah. Okay, I think you put the arrow is too obvious. Just need to know that it's actually reversed back. 3, move it to left, become x minus 3 equal to 0. This one, x plus 8 equal to 0. Then you put a bracket, and that is your factorization. X minus 3 and then x plus 8 equal to 0. That's how you pretend that you are using by factorization. Okay. Answer for 1x is equal to 1 mark, right? Yeah, something like that. Okay, something like that. So I hope that you guys are okay with now. Find the number of books that Myra buys. What are the terms for Myra? Myra here is actually what? Myra just now is 60 over x plus 2. Okay, so can it be x equal? There are two possibilities of x. Can it be x negative 8? No, later you get negative value. Can you get negative number of books? You go to the bookstore, kakak saya nak negative 5 buku. No, you cannot. Okay, so this one is going to be 60 over 3 plus 2. So 60 over 5. What is this supposed to be? You guys can check that thing. Calculator if you guys hesitate to do it in your mind. Okay, sometimes I also hesitate to do it in your mind, in our mind. Okay, so just to be safe, the answer is going to be 12.